So hello dear students. So now we have learned what do you mean by line diagram, how to develop the line diagram, then how to develop a plan from the given line diagram, then after developing the plan how to go for the elevation, how to draw the elevation. So now the last remaining part is the section. So usually this is the most important part and it is usually confusing part for the students, because when we are going to take the section on the plan, it is very important we need to know what are all the components that are going to be visible after taking the section line. So usually this becomes a confusion spot for everyone. So one thing I would want to suggest here is, if you know what are all the components of a building right from the top to the bottom, it will not be much difficult for you. Okay. And one more thing is, you have to widen your imagination so that you can just have a good view of the section. So one thing, as I was repeating in my previous videos, it is very important for you guys to study your home itself. So just take a look in your home, what are all the rooms, how the walls appear, how the doors and windows are being fixed, okay, have been fixed, and how your home looks around. That is, if you stand in front of the home, how it looks, what are all the different dimensions of the different rooms, okay, what are all the components in the room. So if you are having a clear idea about this, so it is not much difficult to draw the section. Okay. So now let us concentrate on the section which is taken on the plan. Now here you are able to see A and a triangle symbol and this line. One line big and one line small. Okay. One line big and one line small. So this is called the section line. So until here we have taken the section. So usually what do you mean by section line is, so see here, the section is that line that is going to divide the home into two parts, not necessarily two parts, because here you can see the section is taken almost at the end of the house. See, this is the house, okay, this is the total house. If the section was to be taken here somewhere exactly in the middle of the home, so then the section would cut the home into two parts. Okay. So that thing we should be clear about that. So here the section is almost taken near the ending of the home. If you see the length, of the home, okay, so the section line is almost taken at the end of the home. So no problem with that. And usually if we are taking a horizontal line throughout all the rooms, it is easy to take the section. But if at all the section is taken a bit vertical, a bit horizontal, like if you take a section line here, then go like this, okay, this will be difficult. But here it is simple, just a line through 4 rooms here. Okay. So the section line always divides the home into different parts. Okay. Here you can see. Now the section, as we are telling, so you can see the section line here. Okay. And we are seeing the arrow in the forward direction. Okay. So that is, the arrow is in this direction, So now what does it mean here is, we have to cut the section, okay, and look forward in this direction. So now always remember, so this is a section line. Okay. See, I am moving my hand like this. Why I am moving my hand like this is, from the top to the bottom we have to cut the section. Okay. Right from the slab we have to cut the section. So not only just a slab, we can also take the section from the parapet wall. Okay. Parapet wall means it is the walls that are covering the terrace from all the 4 sides. Okay. For protection purpose. So right from the parapet wall up to the foundation, we can take the section. So now just let us understand how to see the section here. If you can see, the section line has been passed through the kitchen wall. It is passing through the kitchen wall, then wall of bathroom or water closet, again the same thing, and again it is passing through the bedroom wall. This is the section. So now we are going to cut the section like this, right from the parapet wall up to the bottom. Then we have to take this much part away. Why? Because the section line has been clearly showing here. See, So this is the forward direction. Okay, so that is why if the arrow mark is shown in the forward direction, remove the part of the home that is below the section line. Okay, if the arrow mark is shown in the forward direction, remove the part of the home, this one, remove the part of the home which is below the section line. Why? Because you need to look in this direction, right? You are cutting like this and you are taking this part away and you are looking in this direction. If you are not taking away this direction, you will not be able to see in this direction. That is what the meaning. Okay, so we have to cut the section right from the top up to the bottom. So that is the order that has to be gone. So now, as I told you, we are going to cut the section from the top to the bottom. So what is the section, like how we have to imagine what are all the top components up to the bottom component? What is the flow? Okay, let us see in that in the next video.